Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am in beautiful Sandpoint, Idaho on Lake Pend Oreille, living out my dream with my 12 favorite cook stoves, making epic videos for you guys to watch. Featuring next to me, I have the Guliver Cook Stove, which is one of my favorites, hence why it made it on my top 12 list. And I'm going to give you my 5 favorite reasons why I love the Guliver Cook Stove. So, number 1, I definitely love that it has this top warming oven feature. I actually did bake some cupcakes in my top Gulliver warming oven, and they turned out like really flat. So if you're doing like cute little cupcakes where you stack them up and make like small little mini cakes, or you could even do it, with bigger cakes that'll fit inside here, then when you bake at that nice lower temperature of about 250 degrees, everything stays nice and level, and then you don't actually have to cut the top of your cake. So that's a handy little tip. Number 2, I love the overall aesthetics and styling of the stove. It is primarily cast iron. So your cooktop is going to be cast iron, your doors are cast iron, and your flue collar is cast iron. So, it really gives it that nice traditional feel of an old style cook stove, and it looks really nice too. So, number 3. This model is tax credit qualified. So here in the United States, as of 2025, wow, is it 2025 already? We have a federal tax credit, which is a 30% biomass tax credit that allows you to deduct the cost of the stove, the chimney pipe, and your installation cost for a total of up to $6,800. So tax credits can be super beneficial if you need those at the end of the year, which makes the Guliver an excellent choice. Number 4. This is a super versatile model, and you can actually burn coal in it as well because it does have the cast iron grate in the bottom, and then your combustion airflow does come in from underneath the stove as well. So you don't have any shaker grate in the coal system, but the stove itself is capable of burning coal. So for my East Coast friends out there that have good access to cheap anthracite hard coal, this can be a wonderful option because coal can be a very affordable resource to heat your home, and it burns very hot. Number 5. This model is fully safety tested. So it's UL and ULC listed for North America. That will include the USA and Canada. So you should have absolutely no problem at all with any type of building inspection or wet inspection, which makes the Guliver an excellent option. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today on my 5 top reasons why I love the Guliver Cook Stove. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. If you know somebody who would like this video or enjoy it, please don't forget to share it with them. It helps me out so much. It helps my business when y'all share my content. As always, God bless. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Click the subscribe button in the corner. Bye.